Shantanu Pandey, and I am legal intern at Lexus & Company. Today I am going to talk about Section 27 of Indian Evidence Act. Section 27 lays down that when at any trial evidence is led to be effective, the sum fact of is discovered in consequences of the information given by the accused of an offence in custody of a police officer. So much of the information as relates to the fact discovered by the information may be proved irrespective of the fact discovered by the information may be proven irrespective of the fact whether the information amount to confession or not. Requirement under this section: the condition necessary for the application of section 27 are the fact must be discovered in the consequences of information received by the accused. The person giving the information must be accused of the offence. He must be the custody to a police officer. The portion only of the information which relate distinct to the fact discovered can be proven. The rest of it is inadmissible. Before the statement is proven, somebody must dispose that article were discovered in consequences of the information received from the accused. In the example given above, before the statement of the accused could be proven, somebody such as sub-inspector must dispose that a consequences of given information giving the accused some fact are discovered. The fact discovered must be relevant fact, that is to say, it must be related to the commission of crime in question. In Suresh Chandra Bihar versus State of Bihar, it is discovery that the seizure of article used in wrapping the dead body and the pieces of sari belonging to the deceased was made at the instance of one accused. Article recovered were neither visible nor accessible to the people but were hidden under the ground. No public witness was examined by the prosecution in the behalf. However, the evidence of investigation officer did not suffer from any doubt or infirmity. Articles discovered were duly identified by the witness. It was held that in the circumstances, failure of investigation officer to record the disclosure of statement was not fatal. In the state of Maharashtra versus Bharat, Egan Lal Ravani, it was held at the Supreme Court that the fact of the seized weapon were displaced by the police in press conference and was not ground to disbelieve the factum of recovery.